Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is afternoon edition of Lamentation 61, and your original conductor still remains Emmanuel Religious. Anywhere that you are around the world listening to me, I bring you warmly greetings from my end here. Share this very program and hit the like button, please. So, in the quest for freedom, your mind must never be a failure. Most of you are saying, oh, this Biafra agitation looks like a childish play. Do you think that freedom is a bread or cake that once you enter into it, it looks sweet? Freedom is never a bed of roses. Freedom, for you to pursue freedom, you must because the people that you are fighting or the country that you are fighting to live must fight you with everything in them. Mazin Namdekano in his word, he said that Nigeria have over how many trillions to fight budget, to fight Biafra people. Do you think that it is a child's play? Some people are saying, oh, I'm fed up in this Biafra agitation. Sudan or South Sudan, they fought for their freedom for 50-something years. And you are saying, so you think that fighting Nigeria is the way you go, you fight Nigeria, you conquer. No. It is a gradual process. They will fight you with everything in them. They are going to fight you with the likes of Ngwere. They are going to fight you with the likes of Akpakarawa. People that you see that want nothing. They have fought you in the past with the DOS. Did they win? The answer is no. They fought you in the past with, what are they calling him? They fought you in the past with Pastor Infection Stone. Did they win? The answer is no. They fought you in the past with many people. Today, they are nowhere to be found. They fought you with Chiamaka. They fought you with Obi. Yet, they couldn't win. Why must you think that they are going to win you? It is that winning is in your mindset, because most of you people who enter into this freedom are not sincere and not pure. The things that you meet on your way to this freedom, you must buckle up. Put your minds together. Now, I have told you, somebody who introduced himself in Finland Convention as Ngwere, then when they are swearing him in, they swear him in as Isiah, and then use the same Ngwere as A.K.A, making jest of Biafra for forgery of names. You never ever be sincere. They have compromised my people. They went as far as releasing people's information to Nigerian government. Go and look at what Musa said. Somebody informed me today that Musa was saying that they are going to investigate those names. I want you, my people, to stand your ground. Investigating those names matters to put fear in you. They should go and build dungeon where all of us are going to be. Like I always say, for a very long time, I have complained about this vam, but nothing was done about it. Nothing. I was told that he's on check. This is a deep criminal. I saw him writing that he put a picture of a video of Dr. Ngozi Arabeza about 2 years ago, saying, look at somebody that was preaching one Nigeria 2 years ago. May I remind you that even Mazin Namdekano, as at the time that we were preaching Biafra, Mazin Namdekano was preaching one Nigeria. May I equally remind you that Simon Ekpa, whom you follow and thought and said that deceiving people that, oh, we love him, trying to deceive people that you love Simon Ekpa. When we were preaching about IPOB, he said, take this flag away from here. 2019. Did he not fight about Biafra? Now they are blackmailing Dr. Ngozi Arabeza. Oh, look at her video. Many years ago, she was preaching Nigeria. All of us once preached one Nigeria. Peter Obi that you see today that I was fighting, the first time Peter Obi came out, visited Ogogo, I was that young boy in front of Peter Obi dancing with happiness in order to promote Peter Obi. So nobody, you are not this. Most of you are with Nigerian passports. but you want to blackmail someone fighting for your own freedom. I equally say Dr. Ngozi Arabese is supposed to be the one showing madness because she's a woman coming to say, oh, look at Ngwere, oh, look at Akpakarawa, but she's not doing it. She's focusing, telling Biafra people. That is when you know people that have something upstairs. You see her appointment. It's not the appointment of a Imam Madabo from background. It's not the appointment of, take $400 every month. It's not the appointment. It's not the appointment of those. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's not the appointment. Naked women. Oh, show me the other side. Fine girl, and it's not the appointment. Ever since the year that I started coming online, I shunned that rubbish. Only one girl I have been able to be with over many years. I shun this rubbish because I know that so far you want to be fighting for freedom, there are some certain things you need to curtail. There are some certain things that you need to curtail in order to be sincere. There are some certain things that you must curtail in order to make yourself sincere and pure before everyone. I am a Anyaogu Jews, please, known as the Great Seer or the Seed of the Seer. I saw them talking rubbish, but I want you to know, those who compromise the stand of our people, betray our people because they want position, all of them will pay for whatever evil that they have done. Mark my word, tell you, say that I told you. Those who compromise the stance of our people, all of them will pay for what evil that they have inflicted on my people. You cannot try rubbish with my people and you expect me to keep quiet. Never again is now. And we will hunt you. I'm telling all of you, it's not all these WhatsApp voices that you people are doing. The location of him and the Jews. You are mad. I am in charge of some of the nonsense that all of you do. I'm in charge. When I want them telling my spiritual sons to withdraw, if I don't have spiritual sons, I have them all over the world. I don't boast because most of you, if una be me, una no go be poor person by now. You will be a multi-millionaire. I have spiritual sons all over the world, and I have want them to withdraw. Most of them are telling me that they have to go to bank to change and switch up. Why most of them have done it? But I will encourage each and every one of you, if you are in America and bank have withdrawn your money into that account, lodge complaint of dubious character, lodge complaint that they have defrauded you. Let FBI pursue whosoever that is in charge of that account. I am a Anyaogu Jews. Let FBI pursue and arrest all of them. If you are in America, go and lodge complaint that they have scammed you. Something that you want. Something that they told you that they have scammed you big time. That account have been compromised by a confused individual bearing Ngwere, Isiah, Anyaogu, and other names that he used in his fraudulent activities. I was briefed that names never finish. But I'm still waiting for the names. This guy is a pure fraud. These are the useless individuals following these idiots. These are the person that you follow. Look at them. When you look at whom you are rolling, wanting to get Biafra, have you sit down, ask yourself, where am I going to with these individuals who have used fake and fraud? How do I stand to get accountability by these same people if they do any evil against me? How? These are questions that you are not asking yourself. But you will forgrow yourself on this very comment section. Thank God that I don't. Ask him, abụkwa m dibịa ndị nke unu na-eje eje eme itu nke mba amụrụ mụọ mụ na ihe so wee bịa ụwa. My only law is being sincere. If I'm sincere, forget about the things that will fight you. That is the reason why I never wanted to compromise my stand. Fight me and see things. I have no power to go and kill you. I have no power to fight you. But there are spirits who can fight for me. That is it. Master Simon Ekpa must never be blackmailed. If you see Dr. Ngozi Arabueze, she stands with due diligence. Now they cannot see anything to blackmail this woman. Is she forging names? Is she blackmailing our people? In order to get position, you release the names of our people to Nigerian government and you claim that you want to come and save us from the same Nigerian government. By doing so, I saw Akpakarawa doing it. Akpakarawa, I want to tell you today that my spirit will fight you. I'm telling you now so that you know. They are telling you that it's working. My spirit will fight you for blackmailing our people, for putting our people in risk. My spirit will fight you. You don't kill my own people and you want me to keep quiet? Look at our people. They sold their money for the freedom that they wanted. Akpakarawa, you have no work. This freedom have benefited you right, left, and center. Your family is not even in this freedom fighting. The one you call Vam, from pastor to Daddy Freeze, all of them sack him because of rolling. From pastor of Redeem, is it Redeem, if I'm not mistaken? So that I don't do mistake. Redeem, right? All of them sack him. All of the Redeem are Chorvas or mine. Is this the type of people? I thank God that the people of Biafra have known all of you and are withdrawing. That is the reason why I continue to send this message. You that call yourself Royce or Igwe Butos or whatever you call yourself, you're a criminal from me for supporting these very individuals because you have blackmailed my own people. These people are the people that sold the money. You have blackmailed them. You supported those who put them under risk. The land of Biafra will fight you. Take it from me. The one called success. The land of Biafra will fight you. Take it from me. I am a man of Oromi Jews. You don't compromise my people and want me to keep quiet. These are the people that have benefited all of you. One way or the other. Freedom, freedom. Today, I am fighting them. I don't want to do like the same thing. I am a man of Oromi Jews. I will keep on fighting for the freedom of my own people. I do not hate you. I love all of you. But the stand, your stand, is the thing that I hate. Compromising my own people, putting them in risk, killing them is what I hate. For killings have nothing to do with freedom. Soiling your hands in the blood of your own people have nothing to do with freedom. But most of you have betrayed your own people. Put them under risk. The same Nigerian government that you said you are trying to exit them for, the same Nigerian government are the people that you supply their information to. How dare you? And you stand to claim. I saw the one calling Vision 555 saying, I stand on charter. Charter Anyaogu. This is how criminals start. I stand on charter. Anything apart from charter, don't call me. All the Kichoni also from Vam. Continue with them. Don't run away. Now, acting prime minister. By the way, okay, told you that he wants to replace Prime Minister. Don't run to anywhere. Continue. And the land of Biafra will bear us witness. After which I'm gone. After this generation is gone, there will be nobody. No one will be like us because we say the truth. My own, anything I do, I make it open here. Anybody that come from the back to tell you Emmanuel Oremi Juice is doing this, that person is a pure liar. Anything that you want Emmanuel Oremi Juice to do, I make it open in this very platform. I make it open in this very platform. From me from here. On a good evening. Happy A.K.A. and Happy New Year in advance. For my Christian brothers and sisters, this is Roman calendar. I wish you good luck, please. On a good afternoon.